Ani, Kenny Pheasant again. Our show Endaying. Somebody asked me, so what did you call it? Why did you call it Endaying anyway? Just a few weeks ago. And I said, do you know what it means? He says, home, isn't it? I said, it means our home, where we live. And anyways, the reason why I called it this show Endaying is because that's where I learned everything, where I live. I didn't have to go to college to learn my language or how it works. I didn't go to university or anything like that. I learned all this at my home. My parents, my grandparents, my elders. Okay, these are the people that taught me. So that's why I call it Endaying. Okay, this video is about again, species of birds. B'nai shi is our word for a bird. B'nai shi'ak for the bird kingdom. All right. So we're going to start off. Me just showing you pictures again. Okay. I'm sure you know this one. Okay. The word is megiz. Okay. For the plural, megizik. Okay. That's for the bald eagle. We're going to show you the other eagle in a bit. Okay. The crane, jitjog. Jitjog for the cranes. This is more of a nuisance more than anything, but it's got its purpose. Okay, we even have a dance at our powwows after this bird. We call it the crow hop. Okay, so this bird is the crow. Ondag is what we call it. Ondag. Ondagok for plural. For this bird, the duck, shishiben is what we call it. Shishiben ak for the plural. The goose, kuk is what we call it. I think Ojibwe, they say wawa, something like that. Okay, but Odawa, we say kuk, kuk uk. Now that's the wild ones. Okay, there's a different word for the domestic goose. All right, this one, the golden eagle, gnu is what we call it. Gnu. Gnu uk for the plural, for the golden eagle. For a hawk, okay, wonderful word, but wonderful bird, gikkek, okay, gikkek uk for the plural. This one, nanokshkashis is what we call the hummingbird. Nanokshkashis uk for the plural of the hummingbird. I know a person that has a spirit name that nanokshkashis. As a matter of fact, a lot of these words that I'm sharing with you in these videos about the domestic animals, wild animals, okay, the fish, could be used as spirit names. So there you go. Look at that. You said, I can't come up with a spirit name. Go to Facebook. Go to Endaying. All right, this bird is very rare, becoming more rare than ever. Okay? And as a matter of fact, where I live in Canada, at my little cabin, these are my neighbors. Okay? I'll have to tell you a beautiful story of how they came there. Okay? Mong is the word for loon. Mong. Mongok for the plural. Okay? Mong, mongok. Now, Here's another bird. Okay. Go. There are some teachings about go that I'd like to share with you sometime. Go for the plural. Again, they're small. Go suck, I guess. Okay. This one we know as neganagone. Neganagone uk for the plural, the pheasant. Okay? The robin. Okay? Pitche is our word. Pitche. Okay? Pitcheek for the plural. Maybe there's another, that's the way I heard the plural. Maybe there is another way to say the plural. Okay? This animal, this bird, all over the place. Okay? Gayoshk is our word. Gayoshk. Gayoshkuk. Okay? That's my mom's clan. And this one, okay, I tell students, this is when I first teaching him, I tell them, you have to be careful how you pronounce this one, okay? Because if you mispronounce it, it means totally something else. It is a word, but it doesn't fit for the naming of the bird. Okay, mizissin is the word. Okay, mizissin. Mizissin uk for the plural. Okay. So, anyways, those are some species of birds that I wanted to share with you. I'm going to do more of these. I'm not just going to do once and that's it. You'll never see. No. Look I got lots of folders, lots of pictures, a lot of things to share with you. So, anyways, that's my production, my little video production on the species. Okay, miigwech kabzindo yek minong goding, wing sana.